Hey guys, today I have Beauty by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly. You can cancel at any time. For $29.99, you do receive 5 to 6 handmade, natural, and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oil. Okay, so let's see what's in my October 2022 Beauty by Francesca. And that's what she looks like. It's open. And it smells good. All right. So this is called Happy Fall. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go with this first. So this is body oil, harvest apple, a deeply penetrating body oil that leaves skin moisturized all day long with no greasy after feel. The star of this body oil is rice bran oil. It's rich in vitamins B and E, ferulic acid, squalene, and gamma-Y. Oryzanol rice bran oil helps fight fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone, and deeply hydrates skin. So we have that in a 4 ounce. Okay, and then this one is a single-use travel soap. Don't you wish you could take hand soap with you wherever you go? Well, now you can. Keep this handy little mini bars on hand to use whether you are on vacation, camping, or shopping, or running errands. No soap, no worries. You can keep this hands clean and sanitized with our travel soap. These little bars are single use, so just use one hand and toss when done. So let's take a peek. Oh, look at those. Yeah, little tiny. Let me smell them. Oh, they smell so good. I mean, it's the smelling is, I think there's a variety of scents in there because it's like a fruity but yet spicy. Oh yeah, they smell so good. I love her soaps. So that's a cool little idea. I think I'll put that in my purse. Okay. And then we have a bar soap called Harvest Apple. Okay, and this one is a beautiful rose-colored bar inspired by Pink Lady Apple. The juicy, sweet Pink Lady Apple is traditionally harvested in fall, and its scent is titillating blend reminiscent of sweet honey, pear, and roses. This Harvest Apple soap contains olive oil and shea butter and generates a creamy, foamy lather that leaves skin soft. Not a strong scent through this plastic, but yeah, I'm sure it's a nice soap, give a nice lather, nice apple scent. Alrighty, love her soaps. Okay, so let's see what this is. We have a shower steamer. Okay, so the Tangy Harvest Orange Shower Steamer, aromatherapy shower steamer fragrance with orange essential oil that helps reduce stress by promoting relaxation and peace of mind. To use, place on the bottom of the shower floor near the drain and not directly under the shower head to allow essential oils to slowly release as you shower. A shower steamer is not a bath bomb and not meant to be used in the tub. Okay, so we have a shower steamer, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one. Okay, so this one is the, let's see, bath soak. So a gorgeous blend of pink Himalayan sea salt and Epsom salt with almond oil, essential oils, and real roses that relaxes and calms your body, improves your quality of sleep, and contains vital minerals, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium, zinc, copper, calcium, and manganese, sodium, and iron that helps replenish the body. I love the pink Himalayan bath salt, so I'm definitely going to get some use out of that. Can't smell it through the package. So for a recap, we have the bath soak, shower steamer, which was what? Let me see. Orange scented shower steamer, Harvest apple soap, body oil. I'm gonna love these two especially here. And I'll definitely take this with. I'll pack that in my purse. Travel soap. These smell really nice. So that's it. What do you think of my Beauty by Francesca this month? Let me know in your comments below, and all the information, if you'd like to check it out, is listed below. See you next time.